Your foul scent always makes me...
Gesundheit. That was a high riser. Gesundheit.
Make sure you tell the earwax elf how awesome I am.
Oh! Funny doors. Gesundheit.
Come, Batty. We have maniacal and fancy things to do.
Hello?
Duck? You're not Poodle. What are you still doing at the chateau?
Howie, how did you get inside this thingy?
Ow! 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 Duck, I'm not inside the telephone. Never mind. Ooh, we need Poodle's help to get a star. So while you're over there, be a pal and do whatever she says, okay? At least it all worked out for the best.
Gesundheit.
Duck, did you remember to give yourself a needle?
No. Why do you ask? Bon voyage! Yeah! Excuse me. You're tickled when you constrict me. Ow! Gesundheit, it's for you.
I now have something of yours.
Ta-da!
Duck?
Thank goodness you're safe. He owes me money. Unless you return my stars, your precious duck will be working. No, make that toiling for me.
Let me see if I can fit you in. How was your Tuesday looking?
Great news! Oh, my.
That is it. Go for the unpleasant sensation in your thighs.
So, Duck, wanna play my new video game, Constable Clobber's Cooking Corner?
Cannot do. Mini ducks require my full attention.
I wish I had a bunch of mini Howies to play with. Just imagine the possibilities. Wow. You sure I can convince you to come play?
Very sure. Maybe the pig will play with you.
Good thinking! Thanks, Duck! By the pig, you mean Piggy, right?
I do not know.
Wax Elf, he isn't scary looking or dangerous, is he?
I don't know. I've never seen him. No one has. Except Duck.
Hi, Earwax Elf. A pleasure to make your acquaintance. Gesundheit. Hi.